Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren Mattis. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the turtleneck hack. Now we all know that the turtleneck has become a really big staple in winter fashion for this year and last year really. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this hack that I found if you guys get really hot layering clothes during the winter like I do living in California. So this is, I call it the turtleneck bib, but online it's called the turtleneck collar. If you guys don't know this hack, you're welcome in advance. So this is what it looks like. It's just literally looks like a bib. It fans out with some fabric a little bit on both shoulders, but for the most part, this is the most material you're gonna get hanging down your front and your back. I think this is super cool because all you do is tuck it into whatever like oversized sweater you're wearing or sweatshirt, and it looks super nice. Like this collar, guys, is really good like material. It's pretty, it's not stiff, but it definitely like stays where you want it, and you can fold it even if you want. I kind of like this like chunky looking style that I have going right now, but it's super easy, and that's literally all you do is just tuck it in and you're done, and you don't have to worry about the sleeves of it. And you could even DIY this at home if you wanted to, because let me show you guys the other one I got, because this is what it looks like essentially, right? So from the front, this is the part that you have like hanging down. So all you would have to do if you were at home and wanted to make one yourself and DIY yourself this little turtleneck bib, you just have to take, you know, a normal turtleneck sweater and just literally cut it like that, and that's it. You have exactly what I'm wearing. But if you want to buy one like I did, because I was feeling lazy, I got this 2-pack. It came with this white one as well as a black one for 17 bucks, and I bought it on Amazon. They also had different like styles and colors that you can pick from, but I just kind of liked the white and black, like the basic colors that will match with a lot. So again, this is a really cool way to have this fashionable piece but not feel hot while wearing it. So if you guys like this hack, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for future content just like this.